Hello crafters, my name is Nancy and I work with Tattered Lace, and I'm really excited about this fabulous set of dies. Now it's the ornamental bumblebees dies, but these are really clever. So what you're having here is little areas where there isn't a cut. So that means that they are going to stay in your cardstock, your paper, or even envelopes, and these have really been designed just for that. This is to make really fabulous little pieces on your envelopes, so in the corners, maybe in the center. It works really beautifully. And then you're going to ask, well, how does that work? That's because we're going to have some envelope inserts. So let me show you those. You're going to get this one, which is A5. You're getting this one, which is what I would call a DL. And you've got this one, which is A6. And this is the one that I've been working on. So yours will all be nice and neat like that. Little bit to say about this actually is that it's metal, it's sharp, be careful, look after it and look after yourself as well. So let me show you how it works. So I've got would you believe it, I've got a 6-inch square envelope, and when I was telling you about our envelope inserts, we said that we had A5, DL and an A6. Well, actually you can make these to work with something like this as well, which is why I wanted to show you that. Right, so what I've got the insert, that is going to go right in there, right in there, right up to the corner. Okay, and that helps as well. So I'm going to turn that over and I'm going to put my little bee just there like that, and then I'm going to use a bit of low tack tape, and you will have to keep that. I'm terrible for this. I like to use my tape over and over again, but make sure that it's clean, otherwise you'll make some little marks on there, which you don't want to do. So I'm now going to flip that around. There we go. And I want this so that the shim, the envelope insert, is probably about centimetre or so over the lip. So now, to make sure that the front of the envelope is nice and neat, we're going to put a piece of copy paper over the top, and we're just going to run that through. Ta-da! I love this. So take away all these little bits and pieces. Oh, of course, if you wanted to, you can keep them back in. There we go. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll take that insert out. Now what I would do as well is I would cut some from this just little bee. I would cut some from you could actually do a bit of paper piecing, or do another one, colour it, stick it on top, and then it'll look lovely. But I just think that is so cute. That is lovely, isn't it? So I've showed you how to use it with a 6-inch square. You will be able to use this with A5, A6, be able to use it with so many different types of envelopes. But also, if you just want to put this into a card, a tag, anything like that, it will work absolutely beautifully. And you're going to have some wonderful fun.